This video shows the steps to change the preset date in the Contour Next Gen blood glucose meter. Press and hold the OK button until the meter turns on. The home screen has two options, Logbook and Settings. To highlight the settings symbol, press the down arrow button. When the settings symbol is blinking, press the OK button to enter settings. Press the arrow button until the current date is blinking on the settings screen, then press the OK button to start changing the date. There are two date format options. To select month, day, year, MD or day, month, year, DM, press the up or down button, then press the OK button. The year, month, and day appear on the display and the year flashes. With the year blinking, press the up or down button to change the year, then press the OK button. With the month blinking, press the up or down button to change the month, then press the OK button. In similar way, change the day and press the OK button. The meter returns to the home screen. This is how you can change the date on the Contour Next Gen blood glucose meter. Thanks for watching.